Hey everyone, welcome to Discover Talent. I'm glad you are here. Today we are talking about what it really takes to build a lasting, a top performance, not a quick wins, the habit, and a mindset that helps you to keep growing. Okay, in this session, we will explore the key principles that drive sustainable performance. We'll look at simple strategies and real examples you can use to stay effective in both work and your personal life. Okay, so without further ado, let's quickly start. We will start by understanding the goal and the value of performance development. Then we will look at how to build self awareness, focus on what matters, okay, communicate effectively, manage your energy, adapt to change, and stay accountable. Okay, now let's move ahead. And in this specific section, we will explain the goals of this specific workshop, okay, what top performance really means, okay, and why it matters for the business success. It also gives an overview of key principles that help you to maintain a long-term high performance wherever you work with. The purpose of this workshop is to give you a practical tools and ideas to help you achieve and maintain top performance in both your career and your personal life. Okay, so let me just move ahead, check with the another slide. Okay, performance means a consistently doing a great work that supports your main goals, improving teamwork, and finding a personal satisfaction. This section gives you a quick overview about six core principles we will cover: self awareness, prioritization, communication, energy management, and adaptability and accountability. Self awareness is the base of top performance. When you understand your strengths and weakness, also what triggers you most. Okay, you can make better decision choices, keep improving. See how self awareness helps build emotional intelligence, stronger leadership, both essential for a long term success. Okay, here is the example I have added over here. The Johari window is a tool that helps you to understand what you know and what others know or don't know about you. Okay, it's a useful way to build a trust and improve communication. A study showing how greater self awareness helps a leader overcomes challenges and lead their team with a success. Now, here is an interactive exercise for a self reflection. Okay, so you can see it on the screen. I have added over here. So participants, what they have to do. Okay, since you have joined as a participant, so what you have to do, you have to reflect and write your own strengths and the areas of improvement in one of the cheat sheet. That's what you can do it. Good prioritization helps you focus on the task, makes the biggest difference. Okay, so you can use your time and energy more effectively. Learn to recognize and focus on the tasks and goals that have a biggest impact on your success. Okay, now one of the principle you have heard it, right, the principle called 80-20, which is your Pareto principle, right? The Pareto principle says that 80% of your results come from your 20% of efforts. Okay, knowing this helps you focus on what really drives you for your business productivity. As an example, showing how you using a prioritization help a project achieve their strong and positive results. Now, let me give you the exercise over here. Okay, and since we have seen the reflection last deck, right? So now in this specific slide, I can see this kind of exercise you can do it. Identify your top priorities. Okay, the key task that creates a most value in your daily regime activity. Now let's move ahead and check the another principle called communicate effectively. Okay, clear and meaningful communicate is a key to building a understanding, teamwork, and alignment around a shared goals. Learn how to clear a communication helps prevent misunderstanding and strengthen team's performance. Learn the key parts of communication: sender, okay, message, channel, receiver, and last one is a feedback. Okay, to make you interaction more effective. Case study, right? showing you how good communication help team each other, right, to meet their goals. Practice mode for you folks. Okay. Now, active listening is one of the key skill, right? So, active listening, a helpful feedback is a strengthen their communication skill. Lasting performance depends on managing your physical, emotional, and mental energy, not just your time. Okay. So, manage your energy effectively. Learn ways to restore and balance your energy so you can avoid burnout and stay more productive in day out. Tricks helps you to sort activities by how much energy they use, how much impact they have, so you can manage your energy more wisely. Real example showing how using energy management techniques help a professional, okay, to recover, perform their best on each day. There is a quick workaround for you since you have joined as a participant, right? Now it's time to access yourself, okay? Understand your energy level or the areas so you can improve, enhance your performance. Being flexible and resilient in a phase of change is essential for staying successful in today's fast moving world. So adapt to change. Learn how to responding positively to change can help you to grow both personally and professionally. And always remember, change is constant. Be in that position whenever there is a change, right? So you have to adapt that change timely basis. Now, this model is called ADKAR. I will say this as a ADKAR model. Okay. This explains 5 steps for handling change well. Okay. Number one is awareness. Number two is your desire. Number three is your knowledge. Four is your ability. And the last one is a reinforcement. You can see it on the screen. I'm not going to explain you much in detail on that. Okay. A story showing how adaptability helped someone succeed during a major change in their industry. Now, let's start with this interactive exercise for you guys. Okay. Since I'm conducting this virtually session, okay, if in case you are playing this video with your with your students, right, that time what you can do, participants will share and reflect their own experience, okay, with a change to learn from each other and develop useful strategies. Okay. If in case you are watching this video on YouTube, okay, folks, please comment in below section. I thoroughly go with each comment and understand that what exactly motivates you, exactly your experiences. I can read that. Accountability helps you to stay committed to your goals and make steady progress towards a top performance. Learn how taking responsibility for yourself and with others builds a trust and leads to a greater success. This framework everybody knows. I just explain this once again, okay, to simplify you. SMART framework, okay. So SMART framework is basically specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Okay, helping you to stay clear and focus on what really matters first. Now, this is a case study in how accountability helps a team greatly to improve its results. Now, this is the interactive exercise once again, as each framework we covering every time we are giving you a exercise, right? In this specific exercise, you can just write down your personal commitments to strengthen your ability and support a long-term success. Cool. If in case you wish to drop a comment in below section, feel free to drop it. Okay. Because right now we are doing this a virtual session. Cool. Put this 8 principles into a practice: self-awareness, prioritization, communication, energy management, adaptability, and accountability. You will create the foundation for lasting success. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep showing up as your best self. What the true top performance is all about. Okay. I hope you found this useful, folks. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe us because we create this kind of videos for Six Sigma related, Excel related, business productivity, and more. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.